Hello, this is Kevin from Inquality. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your sample rate settings on a Windows computer for use with IPDTL. In the taskbar, find the speaker icon, right-click and click on Sounds. Now click on the Recording tab, select the device you're using with a double-click, click on Advanced, and change the setting to 48,000 Hz. Now click on Apply, and OK. Do the same for the Playback tab. Double-click the device, Advanced, change to 48,000 Hz, Apply, and you can accept this message because it's telling us that the device is in use and it may cause temporary problems with your audio. We can accept that and click on OK, close the windows, and finally in IPDTL, now reload the page so that it's now set up to use the new sample rate settings. Thanks for watching.